Make some liquid soap with me. It's J time. First, cook down your oils and melt them. Get them all nice and warm. Add your glycerin and water solution. You mix it in. And this is where you're just emulsifying it into a paste almost. It comes into like a paste texture. But it takes a while, and with my unchargeable emulsifier, I'm telling you, it kills it every time. So still taking it to trace. This is really sped up too. It took about 15 minutes to get it to trace. It still kind of cuts it down because I add the glycerin to it. There's the paste. Now we're going to let it neutralize. So we're going to just cook it down until it's a little bit more translucent like this. And then you add your water to it. You add water to dilute it so that it will turn into a liquid. And there we go. You add your preservatives. Have a nice day.